JR from the BrushFires ministry here. So this time I'm going to talk to you about unity. Unity in this world is so really elusive for us to be able to accomplish. And there is a reason for that. The enemy wants to create division and disunity within all relationships. We have division between husbands and wives. We have division between parents and their children, between members within the same church, within churches, within the same community, and everywhere in our world, we have disunity. This is a real target of the enemy to prevent us from working together. Now, let me ask you a simple question here. Do you really think that everybody has the exact same lens that they see life through as you do? Do you think that some people might actually get a little annoyed at you because you're late on a regular basis? Or that other people might get a little annoyed at you because you're slow to make a decision and aren't really quick about making those decisions? And what about some of you that have creative ideas and have inspiration and intuition? Do you oftentimes feel like the people that you present this to are criticizing it or discounting that opinion? Yeah. Why is that? We are all designed by God for specific purposes. A policeman is not here as a counselor or a judge. A policeman is here to actually enforce the law. You broke the law, we're going to arrest you. Somebody else will counsel you. Somebody else will be your judge. Other people will look at your crimes and determine what the punishment is. The policeman's job is black and white. That you broke the law, we're bringing you in for questioning and to make sure that the rest of the community is safe. That is intentional. We all have a very valuable place to play here in the body of Christ, and we want you to find yours. And by doing so, you can begin to give grace to other people that have different perspectives than you, that see life differently than you, that actually have other jobs that they're here to accomplish, and so therefore they may not be as empathetic, or they may not be as organized, or they may not be as structured as you are. And that's okay, because give them grace. That's who God created them to be. We invite you to go to brushfires-digital.com, register as a new user, choose the entry level or the premium package, and begin your journey to discover what it is that God created you to do, how you can begin to mitigate the areas where you might cause some friction with other people, and begin to understand and give them grace. They're different, they're beautiful as God created them to be. Please pursue this. It's going to be magical. It's going to be amazing. And I'm going to tell you, you're absolutely going to love what God has for you. Cheers.